I get the keys, boss.
That's cool.
The keys? Yep.
Go ahead.
You guys just come from Walmart?
Yeah.
These events are what happened after $120 of merchandise was allegedly stolen from a Walmart in Joliet, Illinois.
32, they're saying it's a white GMC Yukon. The 28% is, it should be starting with Franklin.
Alright, you can leave the pop in there. Step out for me.
Yes, sir.
Put that out for me right now.
Come on,
Put it on top.
Put it back up, bro.
Hands up.
You got nothing on me.
30, you can put me on it. Some black mist.
Alright, you look at me. You got ID on you?
I don't, sir.
Alright.
I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm gonna be honest. Don't lie about your
No, I
name.
ain't gonna lie about my name.
Because obviously you know it's a charge, right?
I ain't gonna lie about my name, sir.
Okay.
At all, period.
What were we doing at Walmart?
Just bought a soda.
That's it?
Yeah, and dude came up behind me, trying to grab me.
You ever been arrested by us before?
Yes, I have.
What for?
Burglary, theft, extortion.
Alright. What's your last name? Who's all with you right now?
Me, her, and my friend.
Let's go phone number.
I don't have a phone. I don't have a phone.
Where's the stuff? Trust me, it's going to go a lot easier if you be honest. Okay? Been cordial with me, I'm going to be cordial with you. This could just be a simple citation.
Note the comment about the citation here. This becomes important later on in the video.
Where's the stuff?
My bad. You're not following.
I'm going to let you finish smoking that. I'm going to throw some cuffs on you, alright?
There was gonna be a citation.
So in case you didn't hear that, when the officer said that he was going to put the suspect in cuffs, the suspect said, "I thought this was going to be a citation." It seems that the suspect assumed that if it was a citation, it wouldn't lead to an arrest.
It will. Okay. So put that in your mouth. Turn around for me.
Let's cover your name.
Go ahead.
Suspended 27, interest 3 stops, no conviction. She's clear in the county.
Or do you have a 28 ready for the vehicle?
That's for the one that they provided. LC gave it to us.
Take a few more puffs and I'm going to throw you in the back. Hey, you want to do a quick cigar? Yeah, I got it.
Anything you just gonna poke cigar hurt me, man? I'm cool. Some layers on.
Alright, one more puff, man.
I like how calm the situation was on both sides. The suspect was initially asked to get rid of the cigarette. He did not, carried on smoking it. He's carried it over to when he's been handcuffed and taken to the police car, and they've nicely, politely asked him to finish it.
Step on it, man.
Put that up top, okay? Switch real quick.
I haven't ran him yet.
Central cover.
Good protocol, man. Cool. All good.
around 311 Earl, 311 Earl.
Take a seat there. Alright, boss.
Cannon's right from dog.
So that's everything on this case. There are no updates at this point in time. Keep an eye out for future videos.